Hello everyone. In this video, I will be sharing another US FDA new drug approval update. On July 24, 2026, the US FDA approved an intravitreal monoclonal antibody, Bevacizumab, brand name LYTENAVA, for the treatment for patients with neovascular wet age-related macular degeneration, NAMD, also known as wet AMD. This approval represents the first and only FDA-approved ophthalmic bevacizumab indicated for treating wet AMD in the US. Now, let's dive into this medication in more detail. Bevacizumab-vikg, brand name LYTENAVA. This medication was approved by the US FDA on July 24, 2026, and indicated for the treatment for patients with neovascular wet age-related macular degeneration, NAMD, also known as wet AMD. Wet AMD is a chronic progressive retinal disease, representing one of the leading causes of vision loss and blindness in older adult populations. Bevacizumab was initially approved by the US FDA in 2004 for treating various cancers as an intravenous infusion. Chemically, LYTENAVA is a humanized immunoglobulin 1 IgG1 monoclonal antibody ending with MAB in the drug name. The molecule weight is approximately 149 kilodalton. This medication is available as 1.25 mg, which is 0.05 ml of 25 mg per ml in a single-dose glass vial for intravitreal injection. Recommended dosage 1.25 mg, 0.05 ml of 25 mg per ml, administered by intravitreal injection once monthly, approximately 28 days. Further, given this is a protein product monoclonal antibody, LYTENAVA needs to be stored in a refrigerator at 36 to 46 Fahrenheit, which is 2 to 8 Celsius, in the original carton to protect from light until time of use. Do not freeze. Prior to use, the unopened glass vial of LYTENAVA may be kept at room temperature, 20 to 25 Celsius, 68 to 77 Fahrenheit, for up to 12 hours. Mechanistically, this medication works as a vascular endothelial growth factor (VEGF) inhibitor, blocking the interaction of VEGF to its receptors, FLT1 and KDR, on the surface of endothelial cells, and thus suppressing endothelial cell proliferation, new vascularization, and vascular permeability. The VEGF therapy addresses a pathophysiological process underlying in vision loss and blindness. Pharmacokinetically, given this is a topical intravitreal agent, following intravitreal administration of LYTENAVA, the systemic exposure to bevacizumab is minimal. Contraindications. LYTENAVA is contraindicated in patients with ocular or periocular infections, in patients with active intraocular inflammation, and in patients with a known hypersensitivity to bevacizumab products, or any of the ingredients in LYTENAVA. The most common adverse reactions, greater than or equal to 4% associated with LYTENAVA, include conjunctival hemorrhage. Here are the key sources which I have used to prepare for today's video. The US FDA New Drug Approval Update for 2026 is a very valuable resource. In addition, most of the medication information which I shared today is based on LYTENAVA prescribing information. This document is available on the US FDA drug website, along with the drug manufacturer website. Finally, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, subscribe for future medication video updates. As always, keep learning and elevating. Thank you so much.